Your 20s are the best time to build a strong financial foundation. Yet, many people waste these years thinking they have plenty of time. The truth is, the earlier you start building smart money habits, the easier it becomes to achieve financial freedom. In this video, I'll share 7 powerful habits that can change your relationship with money, help you avoid common financial mistakes, and set you up for long-term success, no matter your income. Let's get started. 1. Pay yourself first. This is the #1 habit of wealthy people. Every time you get paid, set aside a portion for your savings and investments before you spend on anything else. Even if you can only start with 5 to 10%, it builds the habit of prioritizing your future. It's easy to tell yourself, I'll save whatever is left. But the truth is, there's rarely anything left. So flip the script, treat saving like a non-negotiable bill. Pro tip, automate this process with your bank or digital wallet so you never have to think about it. Budget like you mean it. A budget gives you clarity and control over your money. Use the 50-30-20 rule: 50% for needs like rent, groceries and bills, 30% for wants such as entertainment and shopping, and 20% for savings or investments. When you track your spending, you realize where your money is going and where you can cut back without sacrificing your lifestyle. Pro tip: use free budgeting apps like Mint, Good Budget, or even a simple Google Sheet. Avoid toxic debt. Not all debt is bad, but credit card debt, high-interest loans, or buying things on installment just to keep up appearances is a wealth killer. These debts grow fast and silently steal your future income. Instead, only borrow for investments, things that increase in value or income potential, like your education or starting a small business. Pro tip: pay your credit card balance in full every month, or avoid credit cards altogether if you can't control spending. Start investing early, no matter how small. You don't need a lot of money to start investing, you just need time. Thanks to compound interest, even 500 rupees or $10 a month can grow into something meaningful if you stay consistent. Start with simple and low-risk investments like index funds, mutual funds, or even a recurring deposit if you're not ready for the stock market. Pro tip: use apps like Grow, Zerodha, or Robinhood, depending on your country, to get started easily. Build an emergency fund. Unexpected expenses are a part of life. Medical emergencies, job loss, or urgent repairs. If you don't have a buffer, you'll be forced to rely on loans or credit cards, which just adds more stress. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses in a separate account that you don't touch unless it's truly urgent. Pro tip: start with 1 month's worth of expenses, then add a little every month. It's okay to build it slowly. Educate yourself about money. School rarely teaches us how to manage money. That's why self-education is key. Read books, watch videos, listen to finance podcasts. Even 10 minutes a day can change the way you think. Understanding money makes you confident and helps you make better choices. From investing to negotiating a salary. Recommended books: The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel, Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki, Your Money or Your Life by Vicki Robin. Set specific financial goals. Instead of saying I want to be rich, set clear, measurable goals. I want to save 1 lakh rupees by the end of the year. I want to invest 2,000 rupees every month for the next 12 months. I want to pay off my student loan by age 28. When your goals are specific and time-bound, they give you direction and motivation. Pro tip: write your goals down and review them every week. Small steps each day make big dreams come true. These 7 habits are simple, but they're incredibly powerful when practiced consistently. Remember, wealth doesn't come from winning the lottery or earning a huge salary. It comes from small, smart choices made every day. If you start building these habits now, your future self will thank you. The earlier you begin, the greater your freedom, security, and opportunities will be. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who's ready to take control of their finances. You've got this. Your journey to financial freedom starts today.